Hello and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first visit, I hope you like what you see, and if you've been here before, thank you for your support. Today I want to talk to you about the benefits of hiking, particularly for the elderly. Being an elderly person myself, I believe I'm well qualified to do so. As mentioned previously, 4 years ago I started a 5-kilometer daily target, and apart from a few occasions, catching COVID was one of them, I've managed to maintain my target. So apart from the obvious health benefits, why am I passionate about hiking? Much has been said about the benefits of getting out into nature. A quotation from Dr. Janet Anderson sums it up for me. Nature is one of the most underutilized treasures in life. It has the power to unburden hearts and reconnect to that inner place of peace. And I can vouch for the truth of this. Like many of us, I have the usual concerns about work and income, and I have found that even a short walk along familiar footpaths that take me through the trees and along the river near my village takes me to a better state of mind. It is the combination of sounds, the wind rustling in the trees and the water running past me, that takes me out of myself and allows me to connect with nature. So do I recommend it? Absolutely.